Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, week 15, lesson 99a. It is in continuity of lesson 99, where we are visiting the formulation Antahakaran. This formulation has two parts, Antaha and Karan. Here its first letter is A, while here the first letter is Ka. Both are having TCB 1. However, as far as the letter I is concerned, it takes us to that A as value 6 is to be the value of beginning stage. Here Ka as a Ka Brahma takes us to value 4. So the script wise, the script of first letter Devanagari A is of the Sthapatya format of a cube placed upon a table of 4 legs, while the letter Ka script-wise is that the sphere circle is of 4 quarters, and it is the 4 quarters organization to be taken quarter-wise. This script form has a very rich initiation features for the formulation Antaha 27 and Karan 27. Here it is that when we are at cube, it becomes hypercube 3 of values 1, 2, 3, and 4. This value takes us from outer fold and inner fold organization as of 1, 2, 3, and 4. When this form of a inner fold reach as 1, 2, 3, and 4, when the same is having a superimposition of a swastik, when it is as 4 space dimensional frame, dimension of dimension stage, then you see the values 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take the outer format, take us the values for inner, these are 2 and 3. When outer, these reach at 1 and it reaches at 4. Or in opposite orientation, it comes to be for 2 and 3 as 4 here and 1 here. It is this feature which deserves to be appreciated as that a static state inner folds as 1, 2, 3, and 4 transforms into a dynamic state into the format which takes us to, for one orientation, as 2, 3, and here becomes 1 and 4. For other orientation, it takes us to a format of here is 4 and here becomes 1 and it is 3 and 2. It is this feature of reach from static state to dynamic state which is going to be of help to us to see as to how the earth, while it is revolving around its own axis and simultaneously when it is also revolving around the sun, so revolving around itself and also simultaneously revolving around the sun, and with the additional feature of earth revolving around its own axis, also around the sun, and moon is revolving around the earth. This happening of revolution around the axis, then around the sun, and moon also simultaneously revolving around it, and only one face of the moon always facing the earth. These features were not to be appreciated further, as that the Chandra is of TC value 19, while Surya is of TC value 13, and Prithvi is of TC value 25, then this will help us appreciate as to how 13, 13 plus 6, and 13 plus 6 plus 6, how it is happening that within a creator's space, 4 space, we are having 12-edged cube which acquires 13th edge within a 4 space, and then this value 13 is equal to G6 and 13. This value 13 is also 4 plus 5 plus 4, also as a 13. Then it would help us appreciate as to how the inner space of the creator's space is having an organization, as that the 13-edged cube is having coordination with the transcendental origin, and here because of spatial order there is a spatial dimension, and it becomes 13 and 13 is equal to 26, and this that way becomes a Kram Samapti, progression conclusion. It is this happening of Kram Samapti as 13 and 26 here takes us to, in the context of 5 space, it is going to be 11 and 15, and it is 11 and 15 which will help us appreciate as to it is a Savroop, Sav 11, Roop 15. This feature of single axis, double axis setup, interval and square within a square, all these features are at work while we are appreciating the formulation Antahakaran, and this is because of A and Ka features. And then when we will be dissecting sequentially the formulation Ant, it would mean An, Ta. It is 1 as 8 and it is 4 as 1. It is this feature that Ek is 8 and Om is 4 and it is 1. Om iti ek akshar Brahm. So Om iti ek akshar Brahm. We will be reaching at all these features, all this organization, all these values, all this unfolding process, all this mathematics. But for it, we have to first appreciate it that in the context of Devanagari, it is a Devanagari Varanmala, and this Varanmala has Anthastha, and these are Ya, Ra, La, and Va. How these features and Antahakaran are coordinated. Stha takes us to 9 and Stha takes us to 22, while Antakaran takes us to 27 and 27, which is 54, and it is 32 plus 22. All these features, when here we will be H6 and here will be D10, further 32 is equal to 2 raised to power 5, which is equal to the frequency of the reach at number value 6. There will be 32 ways in which we can reach at value 6 by choices from these 6 numbers. First will be 6 and 6, and 1 will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 6 times, and there would be 30 more. This I am pointing out at the outset as when we will be reaching at a Antastha in the context of solar universe, and when we'll be having Antahakaran in respect of the Saurmandal, and likewise with respect to the existence within Manav Sharir, and when we will be reaching at Man, Buddhi, Chit, and Ahankar, and while we will be reading at Ya, Ra, La, and Va, the 4 Anthastha letters of Devanagari Varanmala, and when we will be having a relationship of Anthastha letters Ya, Ra, La, and Va with the swaras A, E, U, and Re, and also when we will be having a relationship with the Man, Buddhi, Chit, and Ahankar, then we will be face to face with the inner folds of Vedic mathematics, Vedic sciences, Vedic technologies, and Vedic systems. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems. Vedic knowledge shall approach it first in terms of one's own body and have a sequential visit to the sthul, mundane body, suksham, the subtle body, karan, causal body, and turiya beyond that. This here it will take us to Anga, the organs. Here it will take us to the Indriya senses. Here will be base of senses as Antakaran. And it is only beyond that we will reach at the Antakaran of the Antakaran, basis base of the entire existence phenomenon. So basis base reach would first require at a base, then at basis base. It will make a self-referral system. So here it would be linear order, spatial order, solid order, and creative order. This will take us to 3 space, 4 space, 5 space, and 6 space. It is only thereafter that we will reach at unity state and natural state. So whole system is completely organized, whole system is unified, and it is this unified system which we are formatting. It is this unified system at which we are attempting to have our reach. Sit comfortably and see how man is the first antahkaran, how the mind creates an intelligence, takes us to buddhi, how the buddhi takes us to its chetana, consciousness base, and how the consciousness base will take to ego, antahkaran, or to a moksha. This anchor is 23 and moksha 24. Whole system is fully parallel with the natural existence phenomenon within human body, parallel with the existence phenomenon of a solar universe, though the human existence is within solar universe or it is parallel with the universe. This all is